What makes a flower truly low maintenance? You might think the most exotic botanical garden-worthy blooms demand expert hands and constant watering. But the 10 perennials on this list shatter that myth. From drought-proof prairie survivors to shade marvels blooming in winter, each one looks impossibly delicate, yet thrives on neglect. We are counting down from number 10, starting with a stunning swap that will make you rethink petunias forever. In the 10th place, Echinacea purpurea, better known as purple coneflower, brings a burst of prairie color that looks like it belongs in a curated wildflower meadow, not a low-effort home garden. This perennial forms a deep taproot, giving it the power to shrug off multi-week droughts once established. Hardy from USD A Zone 3 all the way to Zone 9, it returns every summer and fall with bold pink and purple blooms that draw in bees and butterflies, outlasting most bedding plants by months. For new gardeners, it is a simple swap for petunias. Plant your coneflower in full sun, water deeply every 2 to 3 weeks the first season, then let nature take over. Seeds need a cold spell to sprout, so scatter them in late fall or refrigerate before sowing. Keep an eye out for stem rot in heavy clay, but otherwise, Echinacea thrives on neglect and rewards you with years of easy color. Helleborus orientalis, better known as Lenten Rose, brings a dose of winter magic to shade gardens that most people write off as dull or impossible. This evergreen perennial forms a tidy clump of leathery leaves and sends up nodding, rose-like blooms from late winter through early spring, often while snow is still on the ground. Lenten Rose shrugs off cold snaps in USDA zones 4 to 9 and thrives in deep shade where sun-loving annuals struggle. Once planted, it needs almost no intervention. Keep the soil moist the first year, then let it fend for itself. It is also easy to multiply by gently dividing clumps every few years. One important note, all parts of the plant are mildly toxic to pets, so plant it out of reach of curious animals. For anyone tired of replanting impatience, Lenten Rose offers a lush, low-care alternative that keeps color in the garden when everything else is asleep. 8th place, Allium giganteum turns heads with its giant purple globes, rising 4 feet or more above the garden in late spring. These dramatic blooms come from bulbs packed with nutrients, designed to survive harsh winters underground. Plant your bulbs in autumn at a depth 3 times their height, a simple rule that ensures reliable returns each year. Allium's strong onion scent is not just for show. It contains natural compounds that make deer and rabbits look elsewhere for lunch. Hardy in zones 4 to 8 and rarely troubled by pests, this is the ultimate swap for anyone tired of replanting tulips or battling critters every spring. Number 7, Agapanthus africanus, often called African lily, brings bold, globe-shaped blooms that thrive in pots or garden beds, making it a standout for patios and entryways. Each summer, thick stalks burst with clusters of blue or white flowers, rising above strappy green leaves that stay fresh and aromatic even in midsummer heat. African lily prefers deep, infrequent watering. Just soak the soil thoroughly every couple of weeks, then let it dry out. This approach keeps roots healthy and helps prevent the basal rot that sometimes plagues overwatered bulbs. In USDA zones 7 to 10, Agapanthus shrugs off heat and drought, and with a protective mulch, some gardeners even keep it going in zone 6. For winter, simply move containers into a sheltered spot or garage. When you want more plants, look for little pups forming at the base. These can be gently separated and potted up. No special tools required. Foliage naturally resists pests, so you can enjoy dramatic exotic color with almost no fuss or worry. Number 6, Kniphofia uvaria, better known as red-hot poker, delivers a jolt of color and height that instantly transforms any sunny bed into a focal point. Its torch-like flower spikes shoot up from dense grassy crowns, blazing in sunset shades of red, orange, and yellow from midsummer well into autumn. These dramatic blooms aren't just for show. Hummingbirds flock to the nectar-rich towers, adding movement and life to the garden. Red-hot poker thrives in full sun and gravelly, well-drained soil, shrugging off heat and drought once its roots are established. Unlike cannas or thirsty annuals, it needs far less water, just a deep soak every couple of weeks during dry spells. Propagation couldn't be simpler. Every few years, lift and divide the crown in early spring to multiply your display. No special skills required. In colder climates, a winter mulch protects the roots, but in zones 5 to 9, this plant returns year after year, unfazed by pests or neglect. For anyone craving vertical drama with almost no maintenance, red-hot poker is a bold, worry-free choice. Number 5. Eryngium maritimum, better known as sea holly, brings an otherworldly twist to the garden with its metallic spiky blooms and shimmering blue-green stems. This plant isn't just for show, it is built for survival in the harshest coastal conditions, thriving in pure sand and briny winds where most flowers wither. The secret lies in its silvery cuticle, a waxy coating that reflects sunlight and locks in moisture, letting sea holly flourish with little more than occasional rain. Once established in zones 4 through 9, it practically takes care of itself, shrugging off drought and salty soil without complaint. No need for rich compost or constant watering. Just plant it where drainage is sharp and let its sculptural texture do the talking. If you've struggled with lavender in salty or poor soils, sea holly is a smart swap, offering bold architectural lines and a resilience that makes it nearly impossible to kill. Propagation is as simple as scattering seeds or dividing mature clumps every few years. For gardeners craving drama with zero fuss, sea holly turns even the toughest patch into a striking, low-maintenance oasis. Number 4. Liatris spicata, often called blazing star, sends up tall lavender spikes that look like they belong in a designer prairie, yet they thrive on pure neglect. Each flower spike rises straight from an underground corm, a natural energy reserve that powers the plant through drought, poor soil, and long summers. Once you set these corms just a couple of inches below the surface and water for the first month, you can forget about staking, feeding, or fussing. Blazing star blooms in midsummer, attracting butterflies and bees with almost no extra care. It is hardy from USDA zone 3 to 9, making it one of the most adaptable perennials for North American gardens. When you want more, simply divide the corms in early spring every few years. If you have been propping up tall annuals or constantly replacing floppy flowers, swap them out for Liatris. Plant once, then watch your garden come alive every year with vertical color and zero hassle. Coming to the top 3, Iris germanica, the classic bearded iris, delivers sculptural fans of sword-shaped leaves and ornate, ruffled blooms that look straight out of a palace garden. Yet this storied perennial is as practical as it is glamorous. Instead of fussing with high-maintenance roses or endlessly pruning shrubs, you can plant bearded iris rhizomes in a shallow mound just under the soil's surface and let them bask in the sun. Their thick, surface-level rhizomes thrive in raised beds or well-drained borders and resent being buried too deep, a detail that makes planting nearly foolproof. Once established, these irises shrug off drought, survive cold winters from USDA zone 3 to 9, and return with a fresh burst of color every late spring. Every 3 to 5 years, simply lift and split the rhizomes to keep your patch vigorous and multiply your display for free. The main caution is the iris borer, a pest that can tunnel into rhizomes in humid climates, but quick removal of old leaves in fall usually keeps them at bay. For anyone craving heritage glamour with zero pruning or pampering, bearded iris is the perennial swap that makes your garden look curated. No expertise required. In second place, Amsonia hubrichtii, commonly called Bluestar, offers a masterclass in 4-season drama with almost no effort required. Early in spring, feathery green foliage emerges, quickly filling out into a soft, cloud-like mound. By late April or May, clusters of star-shaped sky blue flowers hover above the leaves, giving the plant its name. As summer progresses, the foliage remains lush and airy, providing a texture that rivals ornamental grasses without the need for regular cutting or dividing. When autumn arrives, Bluestar steals the spotlight again, turning a brilliant gold that glows even on gray days. This perennial is nearly deer-proof, a claim backed by extension trials showing minimal browsing thanks to its milky sap and tough stems. Hardy from USDA zones 3 to 9, Bluestar shrugs off drought once established and asks for nothing more than a quick spring cleanup. For anyone tired of fussing with high-maintenance grasses or replanting annuals, swapping in Amsonia hubrichtii means reliable, multi-season beauty and texture with zero stress. Propagation is as simple as dividing clumps every few years or collecting seeds in fall, making it easy to spread this carefree performer throughout your yard. And finally, in first place, Perovskia atriplicifolia, known as Russian sage, stands as the ultimate plant-it-and-forget-it champion for any landscape-craving drama without the work. This perennial forms a billowing cloud of lavender-blue spires from midsummer straight through fall, all held above stems lined with silvery, aromatic leaves. Brush against the foliage and you will notice the strong resinous scent, a signature of the mint family. The fragrance is not just for show. Many gardeners report that it helps deter browsing deer and insect pests, though scientific trials are still catching up to the plant's reputation. Russian sage thrives in full sun and gravelly, well-drained soil, shrugging off drought, heat, and even city pollution. Once established in USDA zones 5 to 9, it asks for almost nothing. A single shear back in late winter resets the shape, and the plant is ready for another season of effortless bloom. Unlike high-maintenance shrubs like hydrangea or boxwood, Russian sage never needs constant pruning or pampering. For busy homeowners, it is the perfect swap, dramatic color, pollinator appeal, and a backbone of reliability, all with less work than a bag of mulch. Plant it once and enjoy years of aromatic, carefree beauty. Across all 10 blooms, one truth stands out. Dramatic, exotic beauty doesn't demand expert care or endless hours. These flowers prove a show-stopping garden is within reach for anyone, no matter your schedule or skill. Effortless brilliance really can be the new normal. Which would you plant first?